फोटो बूथ चले? आप आ रहे हो? फोटो बूथ आ रहे हो? कर ले।
आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा कॉज है एंड आई फील प्रिविलेज्ड कि मैं एक ऐसे कॉज के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ जो कि गर्ल चाइल्ड एजुकेशन पर फोकस करता है। एंड आई थिंक जितनी भी महिलाएं हैं उन सबको हर अपने फैमिली में कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि वो लड़कियों को ज़रूर पढ़ाएं, एजुकेट करें और आगे बढ़ने की हमेशा आगे बढ़ने का हौसला दें।
बिल्कुल, मैं गर्ल चाइल्ड के लिए मैंने एक ख़ास गाना तैयार किया है जिसका नाम है आई एम अ वुमन, आई एम अ गर्ल, दिस इज़ माई स्टोरी। तो उसकी कुछ लाइंस मैं आपको गा के अभी सुनाती हूँ। एक्साइटमेंट भरा मेरा आज है, सर पे खुशियों का ताज है, जब चाहे चले मर्जी मेरी, दुनिया को मुझ पे नाज है। I reach for the stars, I die for the bars, nothing is impossible for us girls. So that's what it's going to be like.
आई थिंक बहुत मुश्किल है बट आई थिंक बहुत सारी एक महिलाएं नहीं हैं बल्कि पूरी यूनिवर्स में इतनी सारी महिलाएं हैं जो आगे बढ़ी हैं और जिन्होंने इतना करेज दिखाया है। सो आई थिंक दे ऑल ब्यूटिफुल वुमेन एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई बी एबल टू चूज़ राइट नाउ। बच्चों की हेल्प करने के लिए वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो जितना हो सके मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि अपनी तरफ से हर एक वुमेन को एम्पावर कर सकूँ जो कि उस स्ट्रेटा ऑफ सोसाइटी से नहीं है जो कि हम बिलोंग करते हैं। सो आई थिंक हम उनको जितना हौसला देंगे और आगे बढ़ने की हिम्मत देंगे उतना ही बच्चे आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। इंडियन विमेन फोर्स उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाएगा। मैं एक बात बहुत स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करती हूँ कि एट प्रेजेंट इट्स अ मैन्स वर्ल्ड, बट एक टाइम आएगा जब ये दुनिया इक्वल हो जाएगी। ये बात कि इट्स अ मैन्स वर्ल्ड ये बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो जाएंगे। मैन एंड वुमेन विल बी एट द सेम लेवल।
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day to you too.
Happy
Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day.
Thank you.
Happy Friendship Day.
So sweet.
ये हमारी डिज़ाइनर है, फराह जी बताइए मैं क्या पहनी हूँ।
ये हमारे नए कलेक्शन में से है। इट्स माई मिलिट्री डीवा कलेक्शन फॉर फियर्स वुमेन ऑफ टुडे एंड आई थिंक Ileana just embodies that completely. I think she is synonymous with today's independent, strong, fierce yet humble ladies, and I think there couldn't have been a better person to have worn my outfit. I'm so honored.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। I think it's really lovely that we have foundations, that actually support women empowerment and girls' education. I think it's awesome. It's the 8th season, Ramp for Champs,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
और I think बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. I'm very proud, very honored to be a part of this, definitely.
Yes, and I'd like to also say that we are auctioning all the clothes on a website, and a lot of the sales are going to go towards Smile Foundation, and that's our contribution.
I think it's so important, you know. I mean, everyone's equal. You know, difference nahi honi chahiye between men and women, and I think it's really important to educate women. Look at how strong we are, mainly.
Yes.
And I think the main thing is women can multitask as well. So our girls can do really well if they educate, and I think it's so important. Definitely important. Oh yeah, nahi, it was just a family occasion though. बहुत सालों
That
के
was
बाद.
coming.
After very long.
Yeah.
My mom is from a Muslim family, so you know हम लोग कभी-कभी मेहंदी लगाते हैं, which is why I come in. Nothing's finalized right now, so I don't know. मैं बहुत choosy हूँ, so I think it's gonna be a while till I sign something else.
It's quality first.
जी sorry. Biopic करना तो
I think they've
it's
already
quite. It's very scary, you know, doing a biopic. I mean, playing somebody else. At least fictional characters में क्या होता है? At least you have that limitation, you know, you can be free about it. I can't think about anybody right now. Mother Teresa लगती हूँ मैं, blue and white में.
Oh, very,
I think
very new age.
very iconic lady, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
I think she's really good at what she does on her own, like, for now.
जी. I think it's Independence Day. Yeah, it's like you don't really. What can I say about Independence
Let's
Day?
celebrate our women. Let's
Celebrate
celebrate
the
our
women,
women and educate them and treat them better. I think that's more
I
important.
think
Most important.
work towards making India a better place, and I think this starts with our girls right here.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I got a photo shoot.
Farah, this way. Farah. Everyone is lined up already. Yeah, please. Come.
No, please. I have no idea.
Just 1 moment, 1 moment. Can you take this case? Yeah, please. Are the kids supposed to be with us?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please come a little here? Here. Behind.
Let's take one. We'll take it. So let's. Let. Oh, sorry.
Hi. Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing Farah Sanjana, and the earrings were also given to me by her. So yeah, she styled the whole event. And I have all these cuties with me. They're looking really pretty. I think they're the stars of the show today. Yeah. I love kids. I don't know if I'm ready to have my own yet, but I definitely love playing with my friends' kids. And I think the best part is that you can actually, you know, when you're done with playing with your nieces and nephews, you can hand them back to their parents. So I'm still in that phase. But of course, to be able to do something like this where we get to really change another kid's life and give a child that doesn't have opportunities a chance to do something great in their life and follow their dreams. I think that's a great thing to be a part of, and I'm really thankful to Smile Foundation for giving me the opportunity.
Tell us something about the evening and how excited.
Yeah, I think it's a lot of fun. We've already started having fun. There's a lot of friends here from TV and from fashion, and it's great to be together for a cause. So I think we're having a really good time, and to be able to do your everyday job for a greater purpose is really great. So I'm really having a good time.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.